See it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, away from the school. Oh, that's a pretty good flight so far. Whoa, touch and go with the wobble. Oh, helicopter right above us too. Look at that. Oh no, Tim, the focus on the Hocus Pocus. There it is. This thing has been circling around a lot, so maybe they're learning how to fly, or they're teaching people how to fly. Pretty cool. Let's see. Here we go. Whoa! The baby RC and the helicopter in the same shot. Man. Whoa, hard to keep it in shot. Where's it going? Ooh, landing.
Likey